Train from the left. So the noise pollution is just dying down now, so it'll get a little bit louder. I mean, you'll be able to hear it a little bit better later, around 2 or 3 a.m.